How to hide Instagram post from someone without blocking them. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on a device. Make sure to log into your account. Now head towards the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now select three line icon at top right corner to access settings and activity page of Instagram. Scroll down. Now you will see the options for restricted. Select that. So this feature basically on Instagram will limit interactions from someone without having to block or unfollow them, or they won't be able to know that they have been restricted by someone. So select the next button, and from here you can easily search the ID or the username of the person whom you want to restrict. Now select the restrict button, and this usual will be restricted. So you need to know that there is no direct way to hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. So once you restrict the particular account, they won't be able to see our Instagram post. So and they will be limited from the interactions on our Instagram. That is it. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.